Here we are, folks, with another amazing, fantastic, dynamic, exciting, and tremendous episode of Cooking for His Girl. And we haven't done it in so long. What are we doing right now with Cooking for His Girl? He's watching beautiful videos of his girl. There she is. Wait a minute. There she is. But there's an update. He's got a new girl, too. He's got two girls now. He's got his real girl. And then he's got, wait a minute. Here she is. Not seeing you home. Shit. Folks, I'll show you. Hold on. Wait just a second. This is his new girl. She's really his girl. Here she is. Right here. There she is, folks. That's his new girl. That's really how sweet she is, folks. Huh? I told her the other day, I said, every time I look at you, I see a Mount Everest of Hershey Kisses. Look at her, folks. That's my real new girl. So I got two girls. I got two most talented and beautiful women on earth. I'm just as amazed as you. You figure it out. There's my girl. Right there. She's sweeter than that shit could ever be. And we're cooking for his girl. What are we doing? What are we cooking? We're cooking cheeseburgers for his girl, folks. We get the cheese out now. Turn down the heat. Say, look at that. They're savory. They're exciting. They're dynamic. They're fantastic. They're amazing. And they're wonderful. We got cheese here. Look at this. American cheese. Look at that cheese, dude. Put that. We're going to put one slice of American cheese in the cheeseburger. Look at that. We're going to put another slice of American cheese on a cheeseburger. And then we're going to douse that with. What are we going to use on that? What are we going to use on this? Yeah. We're going to use gourmets, folks. Look at that. And we're going to use pink Himalayan sea salt. We're going to use black peppercorn grinder on there. And we're going to use, that's it. That's all we're going to use. Oh, we're going to put them on white bread, folks. Look at that. White bread, folks. White bread. We are excited. All right, so, hi, honey. I love you. Oh, both my sweethearts. Both my honey babies. Only got one honey baby, but I'm saying, it's for both my girls. Cooking for his girls. So I'm saying Taylor Swift for my girl. Olivia Rodrigo for my girl. That's it. That's all there is to it. Yeah.